guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So as you guys already know, today I'm going to unbox PR packages. Now this is a haul video. Now most of the products are from Indian brand, which I am super excited about. So let's get started. Okay, let's start with the brand which is from Kolkata, I guess, which is the Dot & Key skincare products. Now they have currently sent few products for me to try it out. Now this is the Hyaluronic Serum. I have heard great reviews about this. I mean mixed reviews, I would say. People used to rave about it and some people used to like bash it. I don't know why, but yeah, I will be trying this one out. I have tried their zit zapping serum. I was not impressed, but their mask was really good, so I'm definitely looking forward to try this one out. Next up, they have sent me their new launch, which is the Vitamin C Serum. Now if you don't know, I have been using the Vitamin C Serum from Claire's, so once I'm done using this, I will definitely start using this. Okay, alright, the price for hyaluronic one is 975 and the price for the vitamin C one is 1045 rupees. Now the last product I have received from Dot & Key is the bubble clay mask. Now first of all, I wanted to try this one, but it was out of stock, so I had to get the acne one. But now I have this. I am definitely looking forward to try this one out. Also the price of this is 975 rupees. Next up, I have something from Forever 52. Now they have recently launched their eyeshadow palettes. This is their ultimate edition eyeshadow palette. I have two shades right here. So here are the two palettes. I absolutely love the eyeshadow palettes from Forever 52 because the pigmentation of each shade is mind-blowing. Just let me quickly So let me just quickly swatch 2 or 3 shades. Let's swatch this and the white one. See, the pigmentation is beautiful, you guys. Oh, I absolutely love this. So here are the two palettes they have recently launched. Next I have this two eyeliners from Forever 52. Now these are the matte Sensational Brilliant eyeliner. I have two different shade. This is 01 and this is 03. So this is 01, which is a beautiful blue shade and the pigmentation is so good, you can see. And this is a 0. Okay, so this is 01. So this is 01 and you can see this is a little darker than the previous one and pigmentation is beautiful. Next up, I have received their Twinkle Star glitters. I love glitter, so thank you so much for this. Now these are in the shade 06 and 05. So these are the two shades I have received, 05 and 06. One is more like a white gold and this is the bronze gold shade. Alright, next up I have something from Arata. Now I have tried their face wash before and I really liked it. Now this is something they have recently launched. Let me just quickly show it to you. These are the products. So in this kit they have face wash, toothpaste and face serum cream. Now I haven't tried any of this. I haven't heard any reviews on this, so I am going to use this. I'm definitely looking forward to use the toothpaste first and then I will use all the products. They also have sent me a cute little lip balm. So yeah, these are the products. Okay, next up I have something from Cal and this is their lipstick. This is how the packaging looks like, which is so beautiful. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they have 8 beautiful shades. Let me just quickly swatch 2 or 3 shades for you guys. Okay, let's swatch the shade 07, which looks very pretty. So here is the shade 07. Let's swatch the shade number 25, which is Vibrant Plum. Oh, so smooth and so very pigmented, you guys. Let me know if you guys want a swatch of all the shades in the comment section below. Let me just quickly swatch another shade, which is 01 Paradise Pink. Okay, so let me just show you the pigmentation. So this is the Paradise Pink shade. Alright, coming to the last PR package I was very excited about, and that is from Cups and Lashes. Oh my god, this packaging looks so good, so dope. Thank you so much Nidhi for this. Now let me just quickly show you what I have here. Okay, so in this box I do have face color pots and a brush set. So let's see. This is the brush holder, and inside this they have the brush. So here are all the brushes I have received. So if you guys want to see a first impression of this Cups and Lashes brushes, let me know. I think I have the face and eye makeup brushes as well. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to try this out, you guys. A lot of people wanted a review, so let me know if I should do a review or this or not. So yeah, let's move on to the next thing they have sent, and these are the color pots right here. So let me just quickly open this because I haven't yet. These are the color pots. You can use this as face paint, eyeliner, blush, lipstick, whatever you like. Now this is the shade 03 by the way, and look at that hot pink shade, which is so good. Let's swatch it, you guys. Oh my god, this is so very pigmented. Oh my god, it's so bright, it's so neon. Oh, so very pretty. I am shocked with the pigmentation. Okay, let's swatch few more shades. Okay, let's swatch 01, which is a very beautiful green shade. These are so very creamy. Here I am going to swatch again. Very pigmented, opaque. You can see that. And also I really like the packaging on this. It looks very pretty. Swatch number 11, which is a beautiful burnt orange bright shade. So this is such a beautiful and bright shade. Oh my god, it's a beautiful burnt orange shade, I would say. You can use it as your blush, lip shade, anything. And let's swatch the last shade, 08, and it is a yellow shade by the way. And here is the swatch. Wow, these are so opaque and so bright at the same time. Actually मुझे ये use करना था Halloween पे, लेकिन because of this cut I was not able to, and इसलिए मैंने उसको खोला भी नहीं था. मुझे लगा कि सबको दिखाना चाहिए कि मुझे क्या क्या मिला. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Those were the PR packages I have received this time. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up and let me know which review you want to see first. And yeah, that will be it. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.